Hi, I'm Nick Mawer, Marketing Manager for Kramer Electronics UK, and I'm here to introduce the new VP773 amp and its sister product, the VP774. Now, the key things to remember about these products, they're switcher scalers and they have incredibly fast switching. So we have 4 HDMI inputs, 2 computer graphics inputs, we have a composite video, display port, and on the VP774 we have HD SDI in. On the top here we've got the audio inputs, and here we have the output section. So on the VP774 we have HD SDI out, we have 2 parallel HDMI outputs, and we have an HD base T output. We have 2 microphone inputs which allow for talk over and ducking and mixing. And the control section includes RS-232, Ethernet, and we also have an IR port, a remote IR port. Now, the RS-232 and the Ethernet controls can be sent through the machine down the HD base T port to control the display at the far end. If we look at the front of the VP773, we can see the switching controls, the picture-in-picture control, the blank, and the freeze. Now, these allow a presenter to momentarily freeze or stop their image from showing completely so that they can gain the attention of the audience. And then we have our front panel controls for the on-screen display and the menu. We have a reset to XGA and 720p, which allows us to recover an image if we've accidentally set too high a resolution for the display to cope with. And finally, we have our panel lock button. So that's the front and the back of the VP774 and the 773 amp. The key feature about the VP773 amp, which sets it above its previous version, is that it has a 10-watt power amplifier built in. Now, that 10 watts is enough to provide sound to a classroom for 30 people, and that's the typical environment where you're going to find the VP773 and 773 amp, a lecture theatre or a classroom in a teaching environment. The product, of course, is also suitable for boardrooms, for churches, houses of worship, and many other similar applications. Thank you.